Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to configure and receive automated Shopify store email alerts for sync-related activities in Salesforce. After logging into Salesforce, you can see that the required setup steps are already completed and the Shopify store is connected successfully. Now scroll down to the email notification section. Currently, one email address is already added. If you want to add more email addresses, simply click on the Add button and enter the required email address. You can add up to 3 email addresses based on your requirements. Similarly, if you no longer want to receive notifications on a particular email address, you can remove it anytime. Now, let's see how these notifications work. Here, I have recently installed a new version of Sync Made Easy Pro, and as you can see, an automated email notification has already been received regarding that update. And that's the complete overview of the automated email alert functionality. Thank you for watching.